Welcome to our tutorial on how to archive a chat on WhatsApp web using your PC. Follow these steps to efficiently organize and archive your chats on the WhatsApp web platform. To begin, open whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp web through your web browser to manage your chats, and proceed with archiving specific conversations. Hover over the chat that you want to archive. By hovering over the chat, you can access additional options for managing that specific conversation. Click on the ellipsis symbol, V, located next to the chat. This will open a drop-down menu with various actions you can take for that chat. Select the Archive Chat option from the drop-down menu. By choosing to archive the chat, you will move it to the Archive Chats section, keeping your main chat list clutter-free. By following these simple steps, you can effectively archive a chat on WhatsApp web using your PC, ensuring better organization and easy access to your important conversations. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy archiving your chats on WhatsApp web and keep your chats well organized for a seamless messaging experience. Happy chatting!